Hi, I'm Dr. Labcoat. Hey, whoa, I'm here to give some very sciencey science. It's about this. This is a toroidal propeller designed by striking FPV, based on some MIT stuff. The toroidal drone propeller. MIT claims that these, through testing, MIT developed, so this toroidal design provides more efficient thrust and also reduces noise, making it ideal for use in aerial applications. The idea is that if we have less annoying drones, that people will accept them more. Boom. I can't test the thrust stuff, but I can test the sounds. Resting decibels. Let's see how it goes.
All right. Can't do a thrust test, but I can do an audiation test. 25.
The motor is really hot compared to the original propeller. So we're gonna put that back on. And do another super scientific audible test. I don't know, that motor's pretty warm.
All right, same test.
So, contrary to my experience in the room, according to the numbers that the phone gave off, which is very sciencey. Look at all the science. There's a lot of science in there. It said that these were quieter. Now, the 25%, I wasn't really looking, I was shielding my eyes, but I was able to get a glimpse of the 50% speed. These were quieter, but they were way more raucous in the room. These sounded, of course, a lot smoother. This one wasn't balanced, and I put it on with a lighter. Artifacts of cruddy printing. Also, I picked up a tip this morning to print these out of Silk PLA. Try that, see if that cuts down on things. I've been Dr. Labcoat, and you've been here.